In this video, we will discuss the ChatGPT 5 privacy concerns and settings, as well as policy and its fixes. So currently right now, the ChatGPT 5 has been recently released by ChatGPT. However, there are some feature rollbacks. Like for example, it has now the Make This Chat Discoverable, which allows users to make their ChatGPT conversations searchable by search engines. However, there's actually some privacy risk with this, and users unintentionally sharing sensitive or intimate details can be actually searchable as well. So the CEO warned people because users that use ChatGPT conversations, they are actually not protected by privacy laws and not protected unlike those with legal professionals like therapists, lawyers, or doctors. So on legal contexts, chats might even need to be disclosed. So there's also concerns over life critical usage because Altman expressed unease about users relying on ChatGPT for major life decisions, which is not good. But as you can see right here, ChatGPT 5 also help with creating single app page app in single HTML file with the following requirements such as for example this one. So there are still some ups and downs with this, and now, there's actually some instruction leaking and GPT workflow risk because 98% of custom GPTs are vulnerable to instruction leaking via adversarial prompts, and even GPTs with defenses still face high risk, which means that custom GPTs may collect user data unnecessarily. So in here, we also have this lawsuit from New York that demands OpenAI to retain all user data indefinitely, even deleted conversations. OpenAI opposes this, arguing it undermines user privacy, so they actually veto that. That part is actually quite good on us or on our part. Now, by default, ChatGPT saves your data indefinitely unless you take steps like clearing history or using temporary chats. Free and plus users can use toggle off training data use while enterprise and team data are excluded from training by default. So as you can see, there are actually some concern for feature misuse, lack of legal integrity, emotional dependency, custom GPT risk, user privacy expectations, legal retention pressure, and default setting. What you can do is you can avoid sharing sensitive information, refrain from using personal data, use temporary chats, turn off data usage for training, and delete unwanted chats. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.